Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have what matters, a compatible device and Siri enabled. First, make sure Siri is allowed to listen and you picked a voice. Now try a direct, simple prompt, say, "Hey Siri, what's the weather?" Or press the /home button and speak. Speak naturally. Siri recognizes short phrases and full sentences. That helps accuracy. Once you hear the tone or see the waveform, pause and then speak your request clearly. This gets you into productive interaction immediately. Once you can invoke Siri reliably, focus on how you phrase requests so she executes correctly. Use clear verbs like call, set, send, remind, or navigate, then provide the target contact name, app name, time, or location. For multi-step tasks, link actions logically. Say, "Hey Siri, set a 10-minute timer and play my workout playlist." Make sure to confirm ambiguous names when prompted, because choosing the right contact or calendar entry prevents mistakes and speeds up the flow. To complete tasks, always confirm the result. Listen or glance at the screen before sending messages or starting navigation. If Siri mishears or does something unexpected, adjust settings, change language or voice feedback, and check app permissions. If problems persist, restart the device, retrain Hey Siri in settings, and test the microphone with a voice memo. One key troubleshooting tip: if Siri won't respond, toggle Siri off and on and run the Hey Siri setup again. That often clears recognition glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.